guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So welcome to a day in the life vlog. If you are here, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as well. So I thought I'd use this video to catch up on laundry. I have just made my bed as it just needed like a little freshen up. So I've got loads of laundry to do and some chores, and I hope you guys are all doing really well and enjoying your day or evening and stuff like that. If you are here, then don't forget to get the snacks and get some drinks as well and get cozy, as it's going to be a cozy day in the life vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it. So I've also just had some breakfast. I've had some eggs and soldiers, like dippy eggs, which I haven't had in such a long time, and honestly they were so nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We are just going to head downstairs and I'm just going to start off by doing some laundry. And yeah, I will catch you guys up in the middle of my day as well. And yeah, what do you guys also think of my hair? Like, I've never worn it down as much as this week. So yeah, what do you guys think? I also got this headband from Shein, if you guys are wondering. Honestly, I love pearls at the moment. And yeah, I think it's so cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And yeah, I thought I'd just do one as I haven't done one in quite a while. So yeah, and I really love doing them as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna stop rambling on right now. Like, I need to stop talking. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will catch up with you guys later. So guys, I have just been chilling out. I've just come upstairs because I'm gonna run myself a nice warm cozy bath, as I do just want to feel a bit clean, and I've picked out some gorgeous loungewear for afterwards. So I've picked out these gorgeous fluffy bottoms, and they also have pockets. These are from Primark and they're just some nice lilac bottoms. And then I've also picked out this cropped hoodie as well, just like a little cord, which is really pretty, and it's just like a little hoodie. So yeah, I got those from Primark. I thought I'd wear them this evening as they're just going to feel really cozy and super soft on my skin. So I've just been chilling out, and I've also made a new YouTube banner which I will put on screen. Honestly, it's so pretty. I've made it pink and it's just so gorgeous. What do you guys think? I just thought I'd show you guys it because it is part of the vlog as well, as that's what I've been doing, like a catch-up vlog. And yeah, I haven't been doing too much, just chilling out on my phone and just running over some YouTube videos that I've scheduled. and just stuff like that really. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I've still got to put my laundry away later, and I've still got dinner to have as well. I think we're having like a beef dinner or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to go run myself a bath, and yeah, I'm going to set the mood and make it all cozy, and I will catch up with you guys later on. Hope you enjoy. It's long, it makes me feel like I'm back in history, and Mr. Carpenter has chosen me to read something about Romans. Hey guys, so I thought I'd just come on and end today's vlog. Sorry that it is very short. But yeah, I literally did nothing too interesting. I just chilled out for a little while. I did some laundry and just had a really cozy evening. So yeah, sorry that I didn't do any baking as well. There will be some more baking in my next vlog. So yeah, and in April I do plan on doing some Easter baking, which is literally 1 month away. So I plan on maybe doing some brownies and getting some little Easter bits I thought would be really cute for like an Easter vlog. So yeah, I can't wait for that to happen. And yeah, if you did enjoy this little vlog, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.